Hi guys, this is Jackie from the Corner of Jackie, and I am editing the video that you are about to see, and I forgot to do the intro to the video. So I want to welcome you to my channel. I want to thank you for stopping by. If you're new, please go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you find some motivation to do some cleaning around your house, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye. Alright, bathroom is all done. Let me turn on the lights. Oh, yes. So clean rugs, clean sink. Everything is in its place. Burning the candle to make it smell even better. My bathroom is super simple, but I really like it. And you guys already saw the shower. So yeah, so all done. So now we have to go to the one downstairs. So downstairs bathroom is done. Candle is lighting. Oops, wrong. Whew. So clean counters. Hello. Very simple, but I like it simple and functional. It's all clean, and that's it.